Good evening everyone. Now in second video I was explaining you the saturated prefix. I was explained, but unsaturated prefix, how we will write the name of unsaturated prefix. So this is the prefix. Saturated prefix already explained in the previous video, and now I am going to explain you unsaturated prefix. What is the meaning of unsaturated prefix? Meaning of unsaturation means double bond or triple bond is present. If double bond and triple bond is present between the carbon and carbon, then it is unsaturated. So how we will write the name of unsaturated prefix, that I am going to explain you. Example already I taken, the same example I am going to take again. Like suppose this is a compound, this is a simple compound like COOH is functional group. Again 1, 2 and 3. How we will give the numbering, that I will explain you in the rules of IUPAC nomenclature in next video. But in this video I am going to explain you only the unsaturated prefix. You see that after the selected carbon atom chain, this one is left. It means this one is the prefix. This one is prefix. Now you see prefix having double bond. So if any prefix having double bond, triple bond, so that is known as unsaturated prefix. How we will write the name of this prefix or unsaturated prefix? First I explain you the major locant. Major locant is 2 number position. So first you will write major locant. Locant means position where the total prefix is attached, that is known as major locant. So that is 2. Then you will write the, you see 1, 2, 3 and 4. बिकॉज दिस डबल बॉन्ड, एक डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ प्रेजेंट है तो इसकी पोजीशन भी हमको दिखानी पड़ेगी. तो यू विल स्टार्ट द नंबरिंग फ्रॉम हियर 1 डैश 2 डैश 3 डैश एंड 4 डैश. तो दिस इज 1 डैश 2 डैश 3 डैश एंड 4 डैश. तो फर्स्ट मेजर लोकेंट यू रिकॉर्ड 2, देन 1, 2, 3 एंड 4. रूट वर्ड्स इज ब्यूट. रूट वर्ड्स इज ब्यूट. अब नाउ 3 डैश हैविंग डबल बॉन्ड. यू सी 3 डैश हैविंग डबल बॉन्ड. तो ब्यूट 3 dash. अब now you know double bond and triple bond, what is written suffix first? So for double bond suffix first is written, that is in. Already explained in previous video. And for triple bond already explained in. But this is written as a suffix first. Suffix first. Now how we will write the name if that in a double bond and triple bond is present in prefix? So for double bond prefix, if any double bond is present in prefix, then you will write ENE. This E you will replace and you will add YL, that is enyl. ENEYL. If any double bond is present in prefix, then their name become converted to enyl. Now for triple bond, if triple bond is present in prefix, so what you will write? See YNE, that is suffix first, YNE. So you will write YNYL, YNYL. Clear? So this is very important. If any double bond and triple bond is present, how we will write the name of that prefix? That is single bond, that is but plus YL. Very simple, previous lecture already explained. But if any double bond is present in the prefix, then you will write ENYL, enyl. And triple bond is present in the prefix, then you will write YNYL. So this is the prefix name of the double bond and triple bond. Now I am going to give already. You understand this one? Okay. Now how we will write the name of this compound? First you will write the major locant, that is 2 number position. Then see the double bond prefix is present in 3 dash. 3 dash. Then you will see the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So you will write but. Now you see 3 dash having that double bond is present. So you will write but 3 dash ENYL, enyl. Clear? So this is the nomenclature of double bond is present. If double bond is present, this is the nomenclature of unsaturated prefix having 1 degree unsaturation. Clear? I hope you all understood. Clear it is? Same as if triple bond is present, like same question, if I will write here, same question written, I think everyone is written. If same question is given and if triple bond is present, then how we will write? Like CH2, CH2, C, triple bond CH. So you see numbering is, there is no any rule. You will go through the straight way, 1, 2, 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash and 4 dash. I will write the name. Major locant is 2 number. Then after major locant you will write the position of this double bond, triple bond is present. So 3 dash position, that triple bond is present. Either you will write the root words 1, 2, 3 and 4, that is but, and then you will write the 3 dash position, 3 dash and then YN, YL, vinyl. This is the unsaturated prefix. If any unsaturated prefix is present, then how we will write the name of unsaturated prefix? I hope it is clear, everyone. So this is the nomenclature of answer. Now if any complicated, that complication will increase here. I hope everyone is written here. So now I am going to give the little bit complicated, like here also you will write CH2, CH2 and CH3. Then here also I am going to write this position also you can write. Means you can see, this is not the limit, there is no any limit. Here you will attach, this side attach, this side attach, anywhere you can attach, there is no any problem. Clear? But you will go through the rule and you can write the name of any organic compound. So this is very important, vinyl, enyl and vinyl. If double bond and triple bond is present in a prefix, then their name is written like that. I hope you all understood. Clear? So this is the how we will write the name of prefix. Unsaturated prefix. So now already I explained you that root words, suffix first and prefix. Root words means total number of carbon atom present in selected chain. Suffix first means it can represent the saturation and unsaturation of organic compound, and prefix means except selected carbon atom chain is known as prefix. Now fourth one is the suffix second. Suffix second. What is the meaning of suffix second? Suffix second means it represent functional group of organic compound. Functional group of organic compound, that already I explained you कि functional group means that can like OH group, COOH group, which group is present in the organic compound, that can represented by the suffix second. ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड यू, मैं आपको पहले ही बता चुका हूँ कि ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का नाम वैसे ही है जैसे आपका नाम. तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो है इसका भी नाम ऐसे ही जैसे आपका नाम. यू नो, आपका घर का नाम कुछ और है, स्कूल का नाम कुछ और है. घर का नाम बंटी, चिंटू, है ना, लाइक एनी नेम यू कैन से दैट. सेम एज द फंक्शनल ग्रुप ऑल्सो हैविंग टू नेम्स. बट लाइक सपोज इफ आई विल राइट COOH group. Everyone know that COOH group. So it also having two names. First name is the oic acid, and second name is the carboxy. I will give you a detailed chart. In total IUPAC nomenclature, this is the only the things which you will learning based. Otherwise everything is the, if you will understand how you will write, if you develop the concept, then easily you can write the name of compound. So like suppose COOH, carboxylic acid group having two names, oic acid and carboxy. Oic acid is always written as a suffix second. When you will write the name as a suffix second, then always written as a oic acid. And carboxy is written as a name of prefix. Same as if you will write the ketone group, C double bond O, this is ketone group. When you will write the name of ketone group as a suffix second, then it is known as own, and when you will write as a prefix, their name is written as a keto or oxo. Clear or not? तो this suffix second name is the जैसे आपका नाम है जो स्कूल वाला नाम है, and this one is the घर वाला नाम है. जैसे आपका नाम वैसे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का नाम. अगर आपको स्कूल और घर वाला नाम याद नहीं रहेगा तो कौन सा नाम कहाँ बुलाना है आप नहीं समझ पाओगे. तो ये दिस इज द ओनली सफिक्स सेकंड इज द ओनली फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो आपको थोड़ा सा मेमोराइज करना पड़ेगा या प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा, तभी आपके दिमाग में वो चीज़ें रहेंगी. बट इट्स वेरी इजी. दिस इज कीटोन ग्रुप, सफिक्स सेकंड इज ओन एंड प्रीफिक्स इज कीटो. एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप व्हेन यू विल राइट C double bond OH, this is aldehyde group CHO. The aldehyde group means that if you will write the suffix second is al and prefix is that is aldo, or that is also known as formyl. तो आपके भी तीन नाम होते हैं. You see suffix first second is the al and aldo or formyl. तो आपके भी तीन, बंटी, चिंटू, है ना, किसी के तीन चार नाम होते हैं. तो सेम एज फंक्शनल ग्रुप के भी दो नाम हो गए. देखो दिस वन इज रिटन एज ए सफिक्स सेकंड, दिस वन इज रिटन एज ए प्रीफिक्स. अब बेटा नाउ व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू कि ये आपको पूरा याद रखना पड़ेगा, दिमाग में रखना पड़ेगा. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी दैट द क्वेश्चन इज गिवन लाइक सपोज इफ आई विल राइट CH3 CH2 C double bond O OH, and here if I will attach this is OH group. So this one is C double bond O OH means carboxylic acid group, and this one is the alcohol group, OH group. If you don't know the name of carboxylic acid is suffix second or prefix, this one is OH group. How you will write the name of this group? Alcohol group. OH group means that is alcohol group, that is written as a OL, all is well, OL, and as a prefix written as a hydroxy. So this one is as a prefix name, this one is as a suffix second name. Now if you don't know the which name here you will use, then how you will write the name of this organic compound? It is not necessary that one functional group is only given in the question. कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि किसी क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ एक ही फंक्शनल ग्रुप हो. एक हो सकता है, दो हो सकता है, 50 हो सकता है, 20 हो सकता है. जितने भी फंक्शनल ग्रुप है सबको एक क्वेश्चन में डाल सकता है. तो इट इज़ वेरी इजी. अगर आप ये जान जाओगे कि किसको एज ए सफिक्स सेकंड लिखना है और किसको एज ए प्रीफिक्स लिखना है, और उसको उस सीरीज में जो मैंने बताया अगर आप लगाना सीख लो, तो यू कैन राइट द नेम. लाइक सपोज आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड. व्हेन यू विल राइट, यू सी COOH ग्रुप इज द मोस्ट सीनियर ग्रुप, तो स्टार्ट नंबरिंग फ्रॉम हियर 1 2 and 3. नाउ दिस वन इज रिटन एज ए प्रीफिक्स, this one is written as a prefix. Already you know that except selected carbon atom chain is known as prefix. And why it is written as a prefix? Because this is present with COOH group. COOH group is most senior group. Most senior group is COOH, carboxylic acid group. Alcohol is not the senior group. So with respect to this alcohol, it means for this question, this is the head of the family. That is written as a suffix second, and this one is written as a prefix. एक से ज़्यादा फंक्शनल ग्रुप, यदि 10 फंक्शनल ग्रुप भी होते हैं तो सबसे सीनियर ग्रुप को ही हम एज ए सफिक्स सेकंड लिखते हैं. बाकी सारे फंक्शनल ग्रुप को एज ए प्रीफिक्स लिखा जाता है. क्लियर? नाउ रूट वर्ड्स इज द प्रो. व्हाट इज द रूट वर्ड्स? प्रो. आई टोल्ड यू मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन द रूट वर्ड्स. सैचुरेटेड और अनसैचुरेटेड? तो दिस इज सैचुरेटेड. यू सी single bond between carbon and carbon is present. Here this is carbon and oxygen. Double bond is present between the carbon and oxygen. That is why it is not the unsaturated. Clear? Saturation already explained. Carbon and carbon single bond is present. So that is the prop. Now saturated. That is why in अब now one number position having COOH written as a suffix second. Name is oic acid. So that is one oic acid. Either you can write propanoic acid, and this one is written as a prefix. So 2 number position, major locant is 2 number position, prefix written as a hydroxy. So you will write 2-hydroxy, that is propane-1-oic acid, or you can write you can replace this E and you can write the propanoic acid. 1 number position if you don't want to represent, so there is no any problem. The first letter is capital and other letter is the small. This is the rule of IUPAC. तो 2-hydroxy propanoic acid. अब now you see this one is the root words, this one is the suffix first, and this one is the suffix second, and this one is the prefix. I told you कि any organic compound is written on board, maximum 4 component you will get. This one is root words, this one is suffix first, this one is suffix second, and this one is the prefix. You can write any organic compound, you will get maximum 4 component. Maximum 4 component. You will not get the more than 4 component. Clear? How will write the name of? Now I am going to give you one more example. Then I will explain you the chart. How will write the? I will learn the. Like suppose CS3, CS2, CH, C double bond OH. Now I am going to here add Cl, Br. And you can write OH also. You can replace this H, CS2, CS3. So see that this is organic compound. Again COOH is present. The numbering will start because this is the most senior group. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Because you will select the longest chain. Clear? One more thing, very important thing. Numbering is always start with the primary carbon atom. What is the primary carbon atom? The carbon atom which is directly related with the directly attached with only one carbon, and end with also, like numbering is always start with primary and end with also the primary carbon atom. Getting or not? So this one is primary, this one is the primary. That is why we will give from 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now root words is pent. Clear? Saturated. Saturated. So saturated, if you want to do the unsaturation, double bond you can make. Saturated means that is in. Again one oic acid, so you can replace this E and pentanoic acid. Now this one is except selected carbon atom chain. This one is the prefix. How you will write the name of prefix? 2 number position. So you will write 2 bromo. Here you will write 2 hydroxy. 2 hydroxy. Here you write 3 chloro, 3 chloro. Then you will write the this one prefix. 3 number position. 3 root words is meth, YL, methyl. So this name is the name of the prefix. Now you arrange the prefix in alphabetical order before the root words. Already I told first prefix, root word, suffix first and suffix second. So how I will write? You see in ABCD, which one is 2 bromo is the first, 2 bromo, then 3 chloro, 3 chloro, then 2 hydroxy, 2 hydroxy, 2 hydroxy and 3 methyl. Here you will write. So that 2 bromo, 3 chloro, 2 hydroxy, 3 methyl, pentane, oic acid. So you see this one is the prefix. These all are prefix. This one is the root words. This one is the suffix first and this one is the suffix second. Already I told you कि that I will give you this much. चाहे जितना भी बड़ा आपको कंपाउंड दे दे, इसमें मैक्सिमम 4 कंपोनेंट से ज़्यादा आपको मिलने वाला नहीं है. You will get maximum 4 component, and if you know the write the name of these 4 component means root word, suffix first, suffix second and prefix. Then you will arrange the systematic way like prefix first, then root word, suffix first and suffix second. Then you can write the name of any organic compound. I hope it is clear. Clear? Suffix name is the, you can write in 2 way, as a suffix second as well as a prefix. So I will give you the chart in next video. Thank you.